Hello, glad to have you here. This is how to disassemble the Acer Predator Helios Neo 16. This is how it looks in the front. Take something under so you don't scratch the computer. We have 11 screws and the bit is a Torx 9. So be sure to get the right so you don't damage the screw heads. And just open them or screw them up. We are installing the Kingston Fury memories and hard drive, Viper hard drive, 2 terabytes, and second slots of them too. And this is the tricky part. It's very tight to come in. So I have a thin credit card and I have this plastic from Palm, and it's just to try to work yourself into the computer and then drag it back and forth a little bit. This will damage the card, so you know it's so tight so not even a hair could come in, I think. Oh, good. So this is not the fake videos like the other ones you see out in the internet or the YouTube. This is really hard to come in. It's only paint from the card, so it goes away again. I did try to find something to keep this side open when I go back again, but no, the plastics is gone on the card already, so I don't have any leverage to bending with. Fuck. Yeah, you can hear my frustration. But I decided to take a new edge on the card soon, and that was making the trick because I have some better leverage on it, so I could just get this side open. But be careful so you don't damage anything inside also, so you don't put the cards too much inside. And we get it almost open. Also be always careful about this network. It's always where it can break. If something breaks, then it's so. We are inside almost. I had to go and look in the back if it was what was that sitting, but it was nothing. It's just needs some more bending only. You see the pads for the memories, one sitting still on the M2 drive. To the left it's the original, and under this aluminium cover in the middle is the memory. Normally maybe you should want to take away the battery power, but I don't have very much power in the battery, so I didn't care about this actually. So installing the M2 drive, be sure to have it on the right direction, so it fits each other. And then screw, and don't tighten too hard, it should just sit. It's nothing that keep the computer together. And then this aluminium slot, I see when I put it back again that it was sitting with some clips, so if you want to look before you take it apart, do that. I will show you later. I zoom in and show you on these places. I didn't have a screw in the front, I don't know why, but I have one in the back. And try to get it up so it doesn't fall on the board. It's ungood if it's falls in some, especially when you don't have the battery out. But I have the battery out now, so the memory cards, just open up in the sides and slide it out. See the pins, take them out and it will pop up. Then you see the heating pads under. So it's quite good that they put for this, because there is not much air coming in on these places. Take the memories and just check so the slot is matching, but yeah, you cannot put them in wrong direction even if you try. So be sure to have this clips inside. And you see, even I don't understand how to put them. Just put them down, be sure to have them inside. And then we take there you see the pads for the drive that already sit there. Not that will sit there. So I put in the power again. Be careful so you don't damage. It's very tiny cables on this. It's interesting actually how these tiny cables can take so much power. And they have pads on this aluminium cover also. Try to put them right side, I don't know. Someone was in a hurry to put them on. Not very aesthetic. Then now I see that there is this tab sitting in the motherboard. So this should be on the inside. You don't see them very good. They sit here, there. So this should be, the cover should become on the outside of this. So you have to bend a little bit in this, not bending, but drag them out so they are coming outside on it. Then it's just to put back the screw again. Should prefer to have one more screw to put where it's no screw, but I guess someone was in a hurry to put the computer together. This is the 72 model, so it's the 2024 model with the i9, what it is, 14900 processor. And now it's have 64 gigabytes in RAM and 2 terabyte in and it's just to press it down and just feel so it's no clicks anymore or any gaps. And then it's just to assemble the screws again, and don't over tighten. They are very easy to get the threads to break in the computer if you over tighten them. It should be just so it's sitting there. Then it can take some time. I had luck, I think, to get the memory to be registered so fast. Some says that it can take up to 5 minutes for the BIOS to read the memories. But I don't know what it can take. Half a minute before it was starting up, like it should. Or maybe a minute actually. So there is where the most people get nervous because it doesn't start, and then they shut it off, or they think they make wrong, and then they take out the memories again. But it's a normal process to the BIOS have to go through the new memories and check them. Okay, there we have it, and here's the hard drive and the memory. Thank you for watching. Bye.